Content is intended for viewers 13 and up, not made for kids. Alright, hi. So I have a Metal Fight Stadium that I have made and worked on behind the scenes of working on my Beyblade X Stadium. Yeah, I've been wanting to do it for a little bit. It's just been a side project that's just kind of sat idle for like a couple years. Like I've had the main part painted. In total, it probably took about like 6 hours of actual work time. But I've just been busy with it. But anyways, now that it's done, I'm gonna redo one of the most iconic Metal Fight battles, Storm Pegasis versus Lightning L-Drago. I did a battle like this already, but it was in my Chosetsu Stadium, so the bays moved a bit differently because of the way the walls were. Now it's a bit steeper, so they can counterattack more like the actual Metal Fight Stadiums with how steep those things are. Like, I don't get it. The physics in the Metal Fight anime are just like destroyed. Anyways, we will do first to 5 points. Yeah, both stock. Let's go. Oh my gosh. That is a point for Storm Pegasus. Okay. I'm not counting that. That was so stupid. Almost that longness. L-Drago. Yep. It's a 1-to-1. Thought Pegasus was supposed to be the one in the air. L-Drago has been switched into, I believe this is absorb mode. Yeah. Hi, real quick, I'd like to thank today's sponsor, Bays and Bricks. They have a lot of really cool stuff. They have fast shipping. They have a mix of like literally every Beyblade generation. They got plastic, they got metal, they got Burst and X, and they have all the new Beyblade X stuff. You can pre-order the random booster for Tyranno Beat. There's the remake of Drigger, Shinobi Shadow, all that's up for pre-order right now. And if you use my code JJStadium7 at checkout, you'll get 7% off every item in your order. So yeah, definitely check them out. I'll leave a link to their store down in the description. All right, let's go. Oh my god, okay. That's 3 to 3. That is 4 points for Pegasus. That is Pegasus wins. Okay, that was my battle between Storm Pegasus and the Lightning L-Drago in the Metal Fight Stadium. I had a lot of fun with that. That was actually really cool. I love the way Pegasus moves with the more open stadium and the slopes. Yeah, it was really cool. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you thought. I'm building up my Metal Fight collection just because I was a little too young when Metal Fight was out. Like, I was alive, but like, I was like 4, so I was too young to comprehend what the heck was going on. But I'm slowly building it up, so if there's any specific bays I should try getting or battles you want to see, I will try. It's just a little something to do in the meantime while I get the Beyblade X Stadium done, and I'm also just restoring the Aether Stadium so I can use it a bit. It got a bit damaged from the videos, but I'll do a little bit more battles than that. But yeah, check out the sponsor, Bays and Bricks. I'll leave a link to them down in the description. And check out the talk show, also linked down in there, and the Discord, which is new. Leave a link down to that. You can talk to me. You can see more updates about the stadiums and how all that's going. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you thought. Jake out.